Families, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you the trigonometric identity, what we call the addition law. Sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta, and cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. These are very important trigonometric identities that are helpful to determine other trig identities, especially double angle formulas, which are useful in simplifying trigonometric expressions, solving equations, and proving identities in trigonometry. So, let's consider the coordinate system and a unit circle. So, we have angle alpha with the positive x-axis and angle beta, initial side, the terminal side of alpha, and the green line, that's the terminal side of beta. So the point here, from the definition of trigonometric function over a unit circle, this point is cos alpha plus beta, comma sine alpha plus beta. Then we are looking for sine alpha plus beta, that means the length of the vertical line in green. Our target is to get the value of sine alpha plus beta, that means this length is the green line. Okay, to determine this length, first let's consider the other coordinate system. As you see, x prime, y prime. In that case, angle beta, the positive x prime axis, the initial side, and the green line, the terminal side of angle beta. So from the definition of trigonometric function using unit circle, that point is cos beta, comma sine beta. So the length in this line segment, the pink color, is sine beta, and from the origin up to this point is cos beta. So here we have an angle. Now what's this angle? This angle is angle alpha. How do we know that this angle is angle alpha? Okay, to check that, let's consider the line here. This line with the positive y-axis form an angle, and also this green line and the blue line form another angle. So the y-axis and the green line, this green line, are parallel and they are intersected by a straight line. So the two angles are alternate exterior angles, that means they are equal. If so, when we consider the angle, the positive x-axis and the positive y-axis form an angle 90 degree. That means therefore this angle is alpha. Let's apply the basic definition of trigonometric functions on right angle triangle. In the first right angle triangle, we know that sine alpha means opposite over hypotenuse. But what's the hypotenuse here? Cos beta. Previously we got it. So sine alpha means opposite over cos beta. So the opposite side will be sine alpha cos beta. So we get this line segment sine alpha cos beta. For the other right angle triangle, this right angle triangle, we have angle alpha, so cosine of angle alpha, here it is adjacent over hypotenuse. But what's the hypotenuse? Sine beta, that's the opposite side of beta, sine beta, from the definition of trigonometric function. Therefore, cos alpha means adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent over sine beta. Therefore, this adjacent side is cos alpha sine beta. Now, the sum of the two lengths is sine alpha plus beta. Therefore, we conclude that sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Similarly, we need to determine this length. What's this length? Previously, we have seen that cos alpha plus beta is this length. Now, we have two lengths. The first one this length and the other one is this length. So this point, x coordinate is cos alpha plus beta. So our target is to find from the origin up to this point, that is cos alpha plus beta. That means from the origin up to this point minus this length. That means this one. The same technique what we used for sine alpha plus beta, you can finish the cos alpha plus beta identity. I left it for you as an exercise. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'll come up with other trigonometric identities which are obtained from those results what we have constructed previously.